We see a close-up of a computer screen displaying the code for a chatbot. The cursor is flashing on a line of code, and we hear typing sounds in the background. Welcome to the world of ChatGPT, the state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. A montage of different businesses and industries, from e-commerce to finance, healthcare to transportation, all using ChatGPT in various ways. ChatGPT is changing the way businesses operate, from automating tasks to generating data, and creating high-quality content. A developer working on a chatbot, a marketer creating social media posts, and a data scientist analyzing data all using ChatGPT on their computer screens. Whether you're a developer, data scientist, or just someone with a creative idea, ChatGPT can help you turn your skills into profit. A person watching a tutorial on a computer screen, learning how to use ChatGPT. On our channel, you'll find tutorials, demonstrations, case studies, and expert interviews, all designed to help you understand and harness the power of ChatGPT. A montage of different businesses and industries, all growing and thriving, thanks to ChatGPT. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn how ChatGPT can help take your business to the next level. Subscribe to our channel now and stay tuned for new and exciting content. The ChatGPT logo appears on the screen, with the words "Subscribe now."